This is the Fender Mustang Micro Plus, an upgraded version of the Mustang Micro. In this video, we're going to look closely at this device, how it compares to the original Mustang Micro, its features, the accompanying Tone app, as well as how to record with it. So let's get started. For those that don't know, the Mustang Micro is a headphone amplifier with a built-in battery, 25 amps and effects, an equalizer, tuner, Bluetooth, and USB-C for charging, recording, and firmware updates. It works for both guitar and bass. Just plug in the integrated 1/4-inch jack into your guitar or bass, grab your favorite headphones, plug them in, and you're ready to rock. The Plus builds on features and strengths of the original Mustang Micro. Most notably, an OLED display was added, which enhances the experience with the device. On the original version, there are LEDs above the parameter buttons that show the current state of each parameter. The original device came with a small card to show what each LED color means for each parameter. In my experience, it was crucial to have this card close by while using the device. Otherwise, it's hard to tell what settings are currently engaged. On the Plus, the display provides more feedback and a better user interface. A convenient feature which takes advantage of the new OLED display is a chromatic tuner. It's pretty responsive and accurate. For those just starting out, it means you don't have to buy a dedicated tuner. The original Mustang Micro featured 12 virtual amps and 12 effects to provide lots of tonal capabilities. With the Plus, they added more amps and effects, totaling 25 of each. This is a perfect segue to talk about Fender's Tone app, which connects to the Plus via Bluetooth. This stunning app interfaces with the device, allowing you to view and edit amps and effects from your phone or tablet. Though similar, the button layout on the sides of the device has also changed. The Plus features new preset, tap, and save buttons. Gone are the amp and effects buttons. More about this later. The tap button allows you to set the BPM for delay effects. Both units are the same size and have a large volume knob on the front. Both have Bluetooth to allow users to stream and play along to music. Both have 4-hour battery life. Both have USB-C and an 1/8-inch headphone output. Both have a 1/4-inch jack that folds away, but on the Plus, it's on the bottom of the device, which makes reading the display easy while it's plugged into your guitar. Let's look more closely at some of the features of the Fender Mustang Micro Plus. Let's start by tuning an instrument. Plug the Plus into an instrument and turn it on. Press and hold the tap button on the side until the tuner appears on the screen. Play and tune one string at a time. When finished, press any button to exit the tuner. Presets are a new feature on the Mustang Micro Plus. The device has a total of 100 presets, 70 factory, and 30 user savable. Press the preset buttons to switch presets one by one. The display will show the current preset. Press and hold the preset buttons to scroll through faster. The display will go to sleep after several seconds. Press a preset button to wake the display and show the current preset. You can use the Modify button to change a select parameter of the current preset. Each preset can have a different parameter setting assigned to the Modify buttons. Notice that the preset number has a white background indicating this preset has been altered. Press and hold the Save button to save the preset. Press Save again to confirm. Now the display shows a black background at the preset number, which means the preset is saved. Some presets use a delay effect, and the tempo of this effect can be adjusted to be in time with your song. Press the tap button once to display the current tempo. Now press the tap button 2 or more times to be in time with your music or at the BPM you want. To connect to Bluetooth, slide and hold the power switch towards the Bluetooth icon until the light above the switch starts flashing. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to Bluetooth settings and connect to the Mustang Micro Plus. Once connected, you can stream music from your phone, tablet, or computer to the Mustang Micro Plus and play along to it. With the introduction of presets to the Mustang Micro Plus, Fender's Tone app becomes key to interface with the device to manage and edit presets. A quick side note about the Tone app. Currently, this app is available for iOS and Android. Don't get confused with the Fender Tone LT desktop app, which only works for select Fender amps and not the Mustang Micro Plus. The app connects to the device via Bluetooth. Once you've connected the Plus to your phone or tablet via its Bluetooth settings like we just learned, open the Tone app and connect the Plus in the app. List View shows a list of all presets. Selecting a preset changes it on the device. Preset View shows the makeup and signal path of each preset. Changing parameters here will change them on the device. The real value of the app is in the ability to modify and create presets. Let's look at this more closely. In Preset View, select a device. You can touch a parameter and drag it up or down to adjust it. You can also single tap a parameter and adjust it via the pop-up. You can also select an amp or effect and swap it for another or delete it from the signal path. With a device selected, press Replace or Remove at the bottom of the app. Similarly, you can add additional effects or modulation to the signal path by pressing the plus buttons in the signal path. You can also change the order of effects and modulation within the signal path by dragging and dropping them. When you're finished making changes to a preset, press the Save button at the top of the screen. Hey, we need to talk about your flair. Brian over there has 37 pieces of flair. Add some flair to your wardrobe with the official Ollie Loops enamel pin. Yes, it's official, we have flair. Support this channel with the box logo enamel pin from Ollie Loops. Put it on your hat, put it on your guitar strap, put it on your bag. Level up your flair with the official Ollie Loops enamel pin, and check out the links below for ways to support this channel. Another important feature of the Mustang Micro Plus is the ability to record directly through the device. You can record to a computer, tablet, or phone. Let's quickly look at each of these. Let's record to a computer. Connect the Mustang Micro Plus to your guitar and connect headphones to the Plus. Connect the appropriate cable to your computer. In this case, I'm using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Connect the cable between the computer and the Plus. Turn on the Plus. Now, on a Mac, the Plus will work natively without a driver. On a Windows machine, you will need to go to Fender's website and download the Windows driver. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, then Sound Settings. In the Input Settings, select the Mustang Micro Plus. Close System Settings. Let's open Ableton Live, go to Preferences, then Audio Settings. In the Audio Input Device Settings, select the Mustang Micro Plus. Also, under Audio Output Device, select the Mustang Micro Plus so we can hear what's happening in Ableton via the headphones connected to the Plus. Arm the track you want to record into. Now let's record a clip. Play the clip to hear it. Now let's record onto a tablet, in this case, an iPad. Connect the Mustang Micro Plus to a guitar, connect headphones to the Plus, and connect a USB-C to USB-C cable between the tablet and the Plus. Turn on the Plus. Now let's open GarageBand. Add a track and select Audio Recorder, then Instrument. Turn Monitoring on. Notice that the track is armed for recording. Press Record to record a clip. Turn monitoring off when you're done recording. Play the clip back. To record on an iPhone, the process is similar to an iPad, though you will need a special adapter if your iPhone has a Lightning connector. This is Apple's camera connection kit with the Lightning connector. The phone can't supply power to the Mustang Micro Plus without this adapter. Connect the adapter to your phone. Connect the Plus to the adapter with a USB-C cable. Then connect a power supply via Lightning cable to the adapter. Connect the Plus to a guitar and connect headphones to the Plus. It's a lot of accessories and cables, but this is what's involved with recording to an iPhone. Turn the Plus on. Open GarageBand on the phone. Create a track. Select Voice Recorder and turn on monitoring. Record your clip. Then turn off monitoring. Play back your clip. Since the original Mustang Micro is still available, you may be wondering which one to get. If I had to pick between the two, I would go with the Plus. The added screen, tuner, and Tone app make it worth the additional $30. The additional amps and effects are nice also. Hey, subscribe if you learned something. Your support means a lot. Thanks to all of our subscribers, new and old. And check out the links below for ways to support this channel. Peace.